Traveling cheap on vacation with your family requires some planning and resourcefulness. Here are some tips to help you save money while enjoying your family vacation. Plan and budget in advance. Start planning your trip well in advance to take advantage of early booking discounts and deals. Set a budget for your vacation and stick to it. Choose affordable destinations. Look for destinations that offer affordable accommodations, food, and activities. Consider destinations within your own country or nearby countries to save on airfare. Travel during off-peak seasons. Prices for flights, accommodations, and attractions are often lower during off-peak seasons. Avoid school holidays and popular vacation periods when prices are usually higher. Be flexible with travel dates. Use flexible travel search tools or websites that allow you to compare prices across different dates. Adjusting your travel dates by a few days can sometimes lead to significant savings. Use budget accommodation options. Consider staying in budget-friendly accommodations like hostels, vacation rentals, or family-friendly campsites. These options can often be more cost-effective than traditional hotels. Cook your own meals. Save money on dining out by cooking some of your meals yourself. Choose accommodations with kitchen facilities so you can prepare breakfasts or dinners. This can be a fun activity for the family as well. Pack snacks and water. Bring snacks and refillable water bottles during your outings to avoid spending money on expensive snacks and drinks while sightseeing. Research free or low-cost activities. Look for free or inexpensive attractions and activities at your destination. Parks, museums with free admission days, and local events can provide enjoyable experiences without breaking the bank. Use public transportation. Instead of renting a car or taking taxis everywhere, use public transportation systems like buses or trains. This can be more affordable and give you a chance to experience the local culture. Take advantage of loyalty programs and discounts. Sign up for loyalty programs with airlines, hotels, and car rental agencies. You may earn points or receive discounts that can save you money on future trips. Use travel comparison websites. Take advantage of travel comparison websites to find the best deals on flights, accommodations, and rental cars. Compare prices from different providers to ensure you're getting the best value. Set spending limits. Establish spending limits for each day of your trip to help you stay on track. This will prevent overspending and ensure you make the most of your vacation budget. Remember, the key is to prioritize experiences and quality time with your family rather than focusing solely on expensive activities. With some planning and creativity, you can have a memorable vacation without breaking the bank. Like, share, and subscribe.